This is a camera. More specifically, this is my camera. It's a Canon EOS 60D, arguably the best camera at the time it came out. And I'm gonna refer to her as a she because I think she's a beauty. My dad bought her back in 2015 for my brother, and he started his freelance photography career using her. If you know anything about Brown families, you know that your siblings inherit things. So I got her handed over to me 5 years ago after I moved to Europe for my studies. And for the longest time ever, I only had this 50mm lens on her, and I regret not buying a better lens for her earlier, but then again I was a broke university student. I never used to take her out that often, only for people's portraits, because it's such a crop lens, so you cannot always use it for videos or anything, until I started this channel. When I started this channel, I got her a better lens for videos, and unfortunately I broke it 2 weeks back. It was easily my go-to lens for both videos and indoor photography, but after 5 years of struggles with her, it didn't really make sense for me to invest in a new lens for her. Oh, I wonder what that might be. Let me go check. So, I've been browsing the camera market for a while now, and I think I finally found something that brought me the same joy as the 60D. So let's unbox her. You know how people always say that gear doesn't matter, but in honest truth, it does. It doesn't matter if you're someone who wants to pick up photography, filming, or even start a YouTube channel, and not having a pro camera is holding you back, then it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you have an old DSLR or a point and shoot lying around at home, and you think not having a full frame or whatever that benchmark is holding you back from starting something, then it doesn't matter. Then the best camera you have is the one in your pockets, which is this. And most of the time, people who can tell someone changed their gear is actually this slim. So 2 weeks back, I released a review about this 13 mini on my channel, and it did relatively well compared to the size of my channel. It has around 20k views now, which is awesome. For the longest time, my friends knew that I've been wanting to buy a new camera, and the moment one of my friends watched that video, he told me, "Oh, I see that you changed your gear." And no, I did not. That video was still shot on the 60D using this same 50mm lens, and the only thing I changed was I changed the frame rates. I was playing around with the lights a bit. That's the only thing that I changed, and still people cannot see what changed. So now the bigger question is, what should I do with her? I thought about it a lot, whether I should keep her or sell her, but for a fact, I know if I keep her, it's just gonna stay here on my desk and collect dust. But if I were to sell her to someone who wants to pick up a new hobby or start a YouTube channel, that would serve her life a much bigger purpose than staying here on my desk. I still couldn't find someone who wants to buy her. I want to take her out for one last time to bid her a proper goodbye. Yeah, let's do that. At the end, what really counts are good endings, not flawed beginnings. So I want to have this video as a memoir to my decade-old camera, and to be forever remembered in my journey when I look back in so many years.